Hi there, Matt Hopkins, Ideal Products here, and today we have a special one to share with you. This could be considered the Cadillac of the Ideal Products locker line, if you will. This beauty here is an Imperial 2000 Model M executive style double tier locker, also known as a Z-style double tier. Now what makes this locker so special is the door. This is a 3/4 inch solid select maple raised panel door. You have 2.5 inch stiles and rails, a nice chrome keyed lock, and a chrome 4-inch wire pull. This particular locker is 15 inches wide, 15 inches deep, and 72 inches tall. On the interior, you have a double-pronged ceiling hung coat hook, and with the Z-style locker, you get the extra hanging space if you want to hang a coat or a jacket or a pair of pants or something like that. Bottom tier, extra hanging space also. You also have a 5-inch deep mini shelf for keys, a wallet, or whatnot. Our Imperial 2000 Model M executive style double tier locker. Thanks for watching our video and have a great day.